I got a 5-pack of these humidity detectors. I have one right here just to kind of show you. It'll go through and give you the temperature and the humidity. I do 3D printing, so this is great for the workshop because then I have an idea of what we're looking for in the humidity department. And you can see down here, I also have one inside the filament area. So that goes through and gives me a good idea of what it's like inside there. And I'm going to put one in my new one too. So let's go through and do that now. This is the container you get. There is a little thing of 3M tape so you can stick it. We're not going to need it for this one. Take a moment to get to the right temperatures and things like that. Let's go ahead and put it in. I don't have anything to hold it in place yet, so we'll just push it against the front here. It'll probably stay. Later on I'll probably print something for it, and now we have it. It's still adjusting to the right numbers, but it gets there. And then I'll have an idea of the humidity factor and everything, which is good for the filament. And we want to make sure it stays good. So definitely do recommend these little guys. They work very well.